Okay, guys, just a quick one. I've seen people complain about this. This is a rope. I want to pass it through this. This is a pant, baggy pant I'm making. This is a baggy pant I'm making. Okay. As a matter of fact, I think I've dropped a tutorial before on how to fix this. Yes, but I do see people complain about when they're passing this rope through the waist. I do hear them say things about when they get to a stage, um the thing will open up like this place. It will open up this way. Now it will be hard for them to pass it through. Now let me show you the hack. How you can pass your rope through your elastic waist without having issue. That's the title of this video. Now let me tell you. First of all, why fixing your rope? Why fixing your band? When you are sewing on it, make sure the space here is wide enough. If you look at the space I have here, let me show you guys. See the space I have. This is where I want to pass mine. You see that the space is wide enough. That is number one. Now the number two hack is this. And when you get to the front part, okay, this is the front part. This is where I want to pass this rope from. This is my center, and from my center I already went out um like 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and I made my opening. Now here is the other hack. When you get this safety pin, you already pass your rope, and you close it. Make sure you use your hand or something to press this area so that it will be tight. You can use something to do it. After that, you see these two places now. I will advise you, don't go like this. Go through this place. You see the way it is? When it's facing outward now, is the left hand side. Go through that side, because now look, when you're passing this rope, you start. You see the way we are going. Now, when you want to draw it, like when you want to draw it from this side, don't draw it, don't hold it here. You see this? This is the head now. This is where the safety pin head is. Don't hold it here and draw. If you hold it on this head where there is safety pin, there's every possibility that this pin will open up. The way you press it, it will open up. And when it opens up, it will be very difficult for you to continue passing the rope. I don't know if you understand me. Now, instead of holding it here, this is the head, this is the bottom part. Instead of holding on the head, come and hold it on this bottom part. Let me push it inside very so you can see. Hold it on this bottom part, then draw it. You see what I just did now? Then we continue passing. Okay? Now again, you want to draw it out. Don't hold it on the head. Come to this bottom part, hold it, then you draw it. You see it? It's because you keep holding it on this bottom part, on this head. That is why when you hold it and draw it, it will open up. And you keep complaining, I can't pass my rope through the waistband using safety pin. That's just the reason. As long as the allowance you left is wide enough, uh, just follow this hack, follow this method, and you are good to go. So this is like one of the best method. You see, he's just moving on his own. He's just moving on his own. Are you seeing it? Shall you see? But when you come and hold it on the head, it's going to um it's going to open up. So that's just it. So this is it. This is our safety pin. Let's draw it out. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to knot this side while you are drawing it out. Do you see it? You see how everything came out perfectly fine, fine and beautiful. Did you see it? Shall we see? It didn't even say, it didn't even open up while I was pulling it out. So this is the hack. For those of you that have been complaining, hey, I can't pass rope. Whenever I pass in my own rope through the shirt or the pants, it's always opening up. He's always trying to do this one, do that one. This is the hack. Number one hack: make sure the allowance, the wideness here is wide enough. I'm not saying you should keep all the wideness, you should make it too wide. No, let it be wide enough. You should know if you're working with a rope of 1 inch wideness, then here should be more than 1 inch. Okay? If yours is bigger, then here should be bigger. And when you want to fix it, use this our method. When you put it inside, if you are drawing it, don't hold this head. Don't hold this head. Because when you hold this head and draw, there's every possibility that it will pull out. Hope you've learned something today. So thank you very much. And you see that our shirt? Yes, I just uploaded a detailed tutorial. If you have been looking for how to make shirts, like you need to know how to make shirts. Now this tutorial is in 3 parts. 3 parts for you to know that I gave my all. I didn't just rush it like a normal online tutorial. No, I gave my all. So in order for the video not to be too much, too large, I divided this into 3. So if you are looking for a tutorial on how to make something as handsome, as beautiful as this shirt, check it out. I already dropped it, okay? So thank you guys for always being around and watching. Thank you.